how to create a TikTok account. So what we'll do is open our app store and then we'll search for TikTok there. And after searching for TikTok, you can download it, and if there's any update you can even update it. And after downloading it, we have to make sure to open it, and then after opening it, we will see this option where we can sign in, or where if you have an account you can log in. So here we have option to sign up for TikTok, Google, Apple, Facebook, and here I'm using Google. And after adding our Google account and password, we have to add our birth date. And after adding our birth date, we will be set to like sign up for our TikTok. And then as we can see, after loading our birthday, now we have to add a nickname there, or we have to add our name. And then here we can see that our TikTok account is now created. So we will go in our profile, we can edit our profile, and after editing you can edit it as your choice, and you can add the username as of your choice. Then this is how we can create a TikTok account in 2 minutes.